In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change default currency on web. If you use Coinbase and want your balances, prices, and transaction history to display in the currency you're most familiar with, this quick walkthrough is for you. We'll update your local currency from the website and make sure the change sticks across your account. Start by signing in to your Coinbase account on the web. Once you're in, look to the top right corner of the page and click your profile icon. From the menu that opens, choose either Settings or Manage your profile, depending on what you see. On the Settings page, navigate to the Preferences tab. This is where Coinbase groups general account options so you can easily control how things look and feel. Within Preferences, find the section labeled Local Currency. Click the drop-down menu and choose the currency you want to use as your default display. Take a moment to confirm you've selected the correct one, then click Save. That's it. Your preference is now stored. Right around now is a good time to mention that the official Coinbase website link is at the top of the description. If you're following along, feel free to pause and open that link to go directly to your account settings page in your browser. After you save, Coinbase automatically updates your interface to the new currency. You'll see balances, prices, and transactions convert for display purposes. This doesn't change the assets you hold. It simply changes how values are shown on screen to match your chosen currency. A few important notes to keep in mind. If you're trying to switch to a currency that's outside your current region, Coinbase may require you to update your legal country of residence in your profile settings first. That process requires withdrawing all funds before you can change the country, so plan accordingly. Also, some trading pairs are restricted by region. For example, certain USD pairs may not be available where EUR pairs are, and vice versa, so what you can trade might vary based on your location, even after you change your display currency. And if you use Coinbase's advanced trading interfaces, your default currency choice on the main site usually carries over, keeping your experience consistent across tools. To recap, sign in, open your profile menu, go to Settings or Manage your profile, select the Preferences tab, choose your local currency from the drop-down, and click Save. You're all set. Thanks for watching.